Hi guys, this is Martin and welcome to Martin Taste. This weekend, the sun is just incredible. Even though we are almost in autumn, it is just so rare to have this kind of weather. And the restaurant downstairs just keep playing really loud music. Anyway, for today, I'm going to teach you how to make steamed meatball, 山竹牛肉球. It is a very common Cantonese dim sum, and it is very popular in Hong Kong and the Chinatown and overseas. Sounds good? Let's get started. For ingredients, we have 10 pea. It is quite easy to get it from the Chinese store, and you have to soak it in water until it becomes soft before you can use it. Coriander, salt, ground white pepper, ginger, soda, corn flour, water chestnut, tofu skin. Again, we need to soak it in water until it becomes soft before you can use. Soy sauce, alkaline water, and the most important thing, beef mince. First of all, we need to mix the beef mince with pepper, salt, corn flour, and soda. When it is well mixed, we need to leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we need to remove the skin of the water chestnut and cut it into small pieces. For the ginger, we need to remove the skin and make it into a mash. In terms of the chunk peel, we need to remove the inner layer and then cut it into very small pieces. Same for the coriander, we need to cut it into small pieces. I know some people hate coriander, and I hate coriander too. So for this recipe, I try not to put that much in coriander. If you're a big fan of coriander, you can put a bit more. For me, that's enough. Then we need to mix the beef mince with ginger, 陈皮, water chestnut, coriander, soy sauce, and alkaline water. In here, we need to add a little bit of oils into the beef mince, which the oils does help to lock the flavor into the beef mince. And we need to keep throwing it for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of keep throwing the beef mince, you can see the tissue kind of stick together already and kind of become more sticky. For all kinds of meatball, if you want an elastic texture, keep throwing it for at least 20 minutes or 30 minutes is necessary. Here comes the tofu skin. We need to cut it into several square pieces. With everything's ready, we just need to squeeze this into some meatball and put it on a piece of tofu skin. And finally, we just need to steam cooking them for about 12 minutes. Hi guys, so this is the steamed meatball. If you got any question about the tutorial, feel free to leave a message below. Please give me a thumb up and share my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for new video notice. Again, feel free to leave a comment below if there's anything particular you want me to make for my next video. Alright, see you next time.